Once, there was a quiet boy named Evan. He always sat in the back of the class, not because he wanted to, but because failure had become his seatmate. Every test came back with red marks. Every teacher sighed when they saw his paper. One evening, after another failed exam, Evan sat alone on his bed. Tears rolled down his cheeks as he whispered, "I'm not dumb. I just don't understand yet." That's when his eyes fell on an old book lying under the table, The Power of Reading. Evan opened the book, and something magical happened. The words spoke to him. They didn't just teach, they talked. From that night, Evan promised himself to read 10 pages every day, no matter what. The beginning was hard. He couldn't understand most of what he read. But page by page, night by night, the boy who once failed began to grow. His thoughts became clearer. His curiosity, unstoppable. Months passed. Evan started answering questions in class. His teachers were shocked. The same boy who once stayed silent was now explaining lessons to others. When exam results came, everyone expected the same old story. But this time, his name was on top. Evan couldn't believe it. He had read his way out of failure. Evan's story spread through the school. He didn't become great overnight, he became great page by page. Because success doesn't start with talent. It starts with turning the first page.